Hey, my name is Ben Schwartz, and I'm going to show you two things. First thing I'm going to show you is Twitter Bower and why it's cool. And the second thing I'm going to show you is a Sublime plugin that I made for Twitter Bower, and so on and so forth. So say you've got your project, you're just kicking along, and that's cool. And so you want to add a script. So you go to your browser, you go to the site for the dependency, whatever it is, let's say normalize in this case, and you maybe copy it, you paste it into your editor, you save a new file, then you require it. That's cool, right? I think if you do that many times a day, you're going to be wasting a bit of time, or even just getting started on new projects or whatever it is. Twitter seem to agree, so they've got a tool called Bower, which is pretty cool, basically I'll take you through it. It's a command line tool. You install it using npm, you install it globally, so it's available everywhere on your system, and then you have a command line tool where you can say Bower install jQuery, and it'll keep some local Git copies so that you don't have to wait for a long time for it to download the files every time. It'll make sure that everything's up to date, and it kind of looks after all of that for you. And then you can just require that file, so you can just know that it's going to be kept in components jQuery, jQuery.min.js, which is really cool. There's other pragmatic things you can do here, like you can get a list of all the dependencies in the main files using JSON through the command line, or you can use some npm based tools to like put it into a build system, or whatever. You can go crazy there. But I'm going to show you something that I built, which is for Sublime Editor. It's a plugin, and what it basically does is it gives you a Bower command. So if you press Shift Command P, it'll open up, and then you can type Bower, install, and you can find a bunch of packages, and all you have to do is tap Enter on your keyboard, and it'll go and do the same thing in the background, and then suddenly you've got the dependency in your editor right there. You didn't have to use a terminal, you didn't have to do anything crazy. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Hopefully you do too. If you got some ideas for the project, or you think it's crap or whatever, just let me know.